lamb leg. So, hi mga didi! So today, we're gonna try 5 degrees again. And tara guys, let's open it. It's really balot na balot well. Hindi siya natapon or anything. Today, we're gonna have roast leg of lamb. I tried their lamb chops before kasi.
Yummy!
We're gonna sear the slices and we're gonna reheat this whole lamb of leg naman sa oven. And tara, let's go.
So yung lamb leg nila, it's actually infused with fresh rosemary and garlic.
Ang bango niya guys. So yun guys, ito yung mga pan-seared lamb slices natin.
And this one naman is reheated in the oven. Sobrang laki niya guys, di pa rin ako makaget over. It came with 2 mint sauce, 2 mint jellies, and 1 onion gravy.
And tara guys, I'm gonna try to plate this para fine dining tayo sa bahay. Like look at that, it looks so extravagant. Sobrang bongga.
Yummy!
Panalong panalo ka kagad.
Kung may pagandahan kayo ng potluck sa Christmas.
So you have 3 different sauces to choose from, which will give you 3 different moods.
The lamb leg was actually cooked rare to medium rare, kaya kayo na bahala kung paano yun siya lulutuin pa.
For the meat itself, di naman siya sobrang gamey. You can still taste a bit of the lamb, but it's just there to tell you na it's lamb.
And then yung mint sauce naman nila,
It's very herby, goes well with the lamb.
it also came with my favorite mint jelly.
Sobrang yum nito. Overall, it's not too gamey for me because I've had gamier lamb meat before. This is pretty good. Ito yung onion gravy nila.
And oh my god guys, this is the best thing ever. Very cozy and hearty ang dating talaga.
Panalong panalo yung onion gravy nila. Look at how they roast their potatoes. It's talagang roasted properly as you can see. Sobrang lambot. I actually hope they serve more onion sauce with it kasi feel ko magkukulang yan. So yun guys, etong plating ko, hindi pa lahat yan ha. Meron pang mga lamb meat dito na hindi ko pa nalalagay. Grabe guys. I think this would serve at least for 8 people. Depending on, syempre, yung side dishes nyo. Pwede pa kayo mag-carve ng meat kasi ang dami pa talagang natitira sa lamb leg. Ayan no.
Promise, if lamb lover kayo, magugustuhan nyo to at ito yung end result.
Super love yung lamb of leg ni 5 Degrees Kitchen.
Ayan, naparedoin pa nga ako.
So, ayun lang guys, if you're ever thinking of what to bring sa potluck nyo na bongga, etong roast leg of lamb ni 5 Degrees Kitchen is nice. Kaya try nyo na to!